Hey, soy Iván, un nativo del español con 18 meses en japonés, 44 months in English, and as an athlete, I'm on a mission to help fucked up language learners who can't study for more than 5 hours on a daily basis. You wake up, feel like bullshit because yesterday you overdid it and ended up going past your bedtime. Probably you were playing video games and shit. Now you feel sleep deprived, you don't have anything prepared on your day, and you end up scrolling on TikTok saying that it'll just be 10 minutes. An hour passes, and finally you get up from bed. After breakfast, you say that you will start studying. Then after breakfast, you feel a bit tired because you ate shitty sugary things. Then you start playing video games again, thinking that in the afternoon you will study. And basically the cycle never ends. If you watch me, this will stop today. First, and straight up, this is the habit that you will start doing from tomorrow, and it is waking up 2 to 3 hours before your parents wake up. You go to school, work, or college. You pick one of those 4. These 3 hours will be treated as your sacred immersion time for your language study. So this means no random checking your phone like a stupid person, no video games, no TikTok, YouTube, or something to take a break. You can think that all of the things help you to learn languages because like you need a rest, you need a time to unwind on the day, but like in reality it doesn't really serve you. It is kind of stupid. From now on, your morning will look like this. You wake up, brush your teeth, and maybe take a bath. That's it. Take a pee also. Then you will open Anki and literally finish it. You will not check your phone. You will not scroll on TikTok like a retard. You will not watch any notifications on your phone. You will literally turn on your computer, open Anki, finish it, and then you will watch anime until you have to prepare to go to work, school, college, whatever thing that you have to prepare for. I'm going to actually make it even easier for you. So watch this anime called Hyoka. Now you don't have to make the decision about what anime you have to watch. The way to wake up early is to set up an alarm to go to bed early. So if you need to wake up at 3 or 4, then you need to go to bed at 7 or 8. And so you will put this alarm at 6:30 or 7:30. Basically on those 30 minutes or 15 minutes, you will basically prepare to go to sleep. So you can do 5 minutes of meditation, bathing, and then brushing your teeth. That's it. Then you will notice that if you do this all of the days of the month, your sleep will improve like crazy because the most important thing for your sleep to improve is literally going to bed at the same time every day. The most difficult thing comes first always. So if the first thing you do in your day is check your phone, you are fucked. Literally, you will never study, you will never get discipline. As simple as that. So think of this as, I will never study in the day if I check my phone first thing in the morning, or the same can happen with, for example, having a breakfast. So from now on, at least for the first 2 to 3 hours of your day, you will fast like a normal human being, because it's actually another point. You are a subhuman right now. If you went like literally a million years ago, you will know for a fact that those people went to literally hunt first, so that is the work first, and then they ate. They didn't eat first and then they went to hunt, right? Because they will be like kind of digesting food, and if you are digesting food, you can't go to hunt. You won't be as fast and you won't be able to hunt. The same happens to you. Literally, our anatomy and nervous system is the same. So if you're not fasting first thing in the morning and you're eating like a fucking bitch, of course you will not be able to study because you are not following your anatomy system and your nervous system. And from now on, also you will do Anki first thing in the morning because that's the most difficult part of your day right now. If Anki is not the most difficult part of your day, maybe you have to study for school and you know for a fact that you enjoy more studying Anki because it's something that you like instead of studying for school, then you will basically study for school first for at least an hour and then you will do Anki. So the most difficult thing comes first, not the thing that you like. Did you think you will be me on the first day, idiots? So of course, this is difficult. I had to fucking go through those phases too. I had to go through fucking hardship. Just fucking see this picture of me right now and the picture of me 2 to 3 years ago. Brother, what do you think I had to go through to become the person I am right now? Hardship. I literally was scammed for $500 when my family literally needed the money. But the more you do, the easier it gets and the more addicted you will get to studying languages and doing hard work. So don't think that on the first month of watching my videos, you will get to be me. No, you can't. You can't study for 8 hours on your first day. You have to do some kind of progressive overload on this. So today you will do 1 hour maybe, but tomorrow you will do 1 hour and 10 minutes. And at the end of the month, you will probably end up doing like 5 or 4 hours. If you aren't willing to admit this, you will never get discipline. It is as simple as that. So the first step is of course admitting that you're wrong. And If you don't admit this, you will always have an addiction to social media, video games, and fucked up hentai porn with tentacles for all of your life. So if you want to live like that, fine, but you're probably not watching the right channel for you. If you're watching this video, it's because you wanted to change. So don't cop putting up excuses on yourself. Literally, I'm on your side on the table. It's me and you versus you. If you want to add more of my advice, check the first link in the description. Thank you.